Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add the map in the Roadtrippers application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the profile button at the bottom of the page on the right. And then click on the maps button. And then click on the add a map button. And as you can see, there are available maps for Australia, New Zealand, and the United States of America. So just click on the one that you're interested in, and then you will be able to see the maps. So for example, go on to this. And in order to save the map, you need a plus membership, so you can purchase that if you want to. But if you're not interested, then just click on the not now button and maybe later. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.